Hello, my name is Alx Nixon, and I'm going to show you how to style away a cowlick. Stephanie's cowlick is at the crown of her head, but if you have a cowlick at your front hairline, this technique will work just as well there. You want to use a product with hold. I'm using a mousse, but a spray gel will work just as well. Apply this product first before any of your other hair products. Focusing it at the root, be sure to be plenty generous with your product and make sure it's evenly distributed. Using medium heat on your blow dryer, always make sure to point the air towards the end of the hair. As you can see, I'm lightly raking the hair up and over, not pressing it into the head. Switching sides, use the same technique in the opposite direction. I'm focusing the air on the root and just a few inches above. You want to get the root 100% dry. I'm looking to make sure it's completely dry and that there's no split. The crown has plenty of bounce, movement, no cowlick, and creates a beautiful head shape. We've focused on the most troubled area first. It looks great. Let's finish up the blow dry. Voila! My number one rule when learning a new technique: be patient with yourself.
We'll keep rolling.
Same spot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, you're fine. I love my hair.
Looks great.
I don't know how you got it so perfect.
Oh, thank you.
Honestly, I'm just like, you lowered my expectations. You're like, don't expect much, and then it's perfect.
Thank you.
All in your plan.